guys, I just woke up and I got ready. I am in Hanoi today as I mentioned, and I will be vlogging throughout. Sorry for the voice because it's my sleepy voice, and I'm going out with some of my colleagues, so let's see what all I can vlog. But I'm looking all pretty. This is my outfit. This is the skirt that I'm wearing. Okay. And this is a bodysuit that I bought from Nigeria, and this is the skirt that I bought from Thailand. Yes, and the bag also. I'm color blocking is a green bag that I'm carrying with myself with this look. So bye. I'll see you around.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful. What a wonderful world. They're really saying I love
For the best video. Here, I was saying here, but no. Oh, here?
Only beers there. Oh, yeah.
This is nice. Yeah, that's one. Because the bigger table for us. And we three can take chances to sit on this one and have. What if the train comes from there?
We can ask this guy.
Ask. Passion juice. What's that?
Passion, it's like a fruit. It's
But which
sour fruit. Something like. It's not there in the picture.
Yeah, it's not in the
It's very
Maybe.
hard.
I know. From this place. Our coconut bomb? Coconut. Yes.
this place on fire. I want it, but baby, at least I'm honest. I get tired of explaining as these seasons keep on changing. Life goes on and 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 on. On and on and on and on and on and on.
National drink.
It's, I know, but it's still so good. I don't know. You can tell. I think they put some sugar in this. It's natural. Sorry, I've never had this. Approved by
Even
the
in,
king.
even in Sri Lanka, you don't have this kind of
Sweet.
one.
I agree.
It's just
I've never
like
had.
a dense.
Never had this sweet. So cute. Huh? Okay. Okay. And this one? So nice. Wonderful. What is this?
Chicken spring roll.
And that one?
Same.
Same. Did you
Because
order pork?
she didn't order it. She didn't know if it
I'm afraid. Just 1, 2.
Salmon or the pork is good.
If this fan is not here, I don't know how will we survive. I know, right? Living the best life. Half sun, half water. They will offer you everything. Their marketing skill is 10 on 10. 10 on 10.
Oops, sorry. And goes.
Which one do you like? I want something very nice, like
I bought this.
this one. Okay, same, but different. No, actually, I like it. Why is it coffee?
Oh, sorry. Hello.
I will buy this one. I will buy this one
Okay.
and this too. Oh, cute babies. I want to have babies soon. For that, need to have a baby father. What is this music? Just roaming around in the street of Hanoi, looking for this one very pretty cafe that this guy suggested. This is the cafe we are here. The note coffee. Whenever you are here.
Yeah, you basically write the note saying.
Okay, you tell me. I will speak.
You basically write a note whenever you come saying. You put your name, my name, her name.
Wow. Okay, let's do it.
The upstairs is very aesthetic.
Let's go upstairs. Oh, I didn't see that. The whole coffee shop is
It's known.
stickered.
We can check that out.
Let's check everything out and then come back here.
Yeah, I'll do.
Oh, look everywhere. Oh, there's an ice cream van. Thank you.
Hello. Are you a smoker?
She has a...
Wow, this place is. I want a picture here. Please.
moment for you. So guys, a random photographer from Hanoi wanted a picture of her because she looks good as per him, not us. So
you turn your bike at me, and then turn your back at me. So hit it. Okay, yeah, nice.
I don't know what this place called, but I will Google it and put it. But this is beautiful.
Really nice.
It's really nice. Actually, it has everything. Shopping, KFC, ice cream, photographers, us, everything. Wow. Beautiful. Thank you. Mommy. Okay. The sun is nice. The weather is okay.
Ủa con ơi,